Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of Japanese cuisine with a focus on low-calorie, high-protein bowls, also known as KINNIKU MESHI. You know, I've had some bloody awful dishes in my time, but let me tell you, this ain't one of them. We're talking about fresh, high-quality ingredients that pack a punch of flavor and keep you full and satisfied. So put on your aprons and let's get cooking, you donkey. Listen up, you want to start with a solid foundation, right? We're talking about perfectly steamed brown rice, none of that soggy, sticky mess, alright? Rinse your rice until the water runs clear, then cook it according to package directions. Fluff it up with a fork and you've got the base for a bloody brilliant bowl. Now for the star of the show, the protein. We're going with grilled chicken breast today. Season it simply with salt, pepper, and a touch of paprika. Get that grill nice and hot, sear the chicken on both sides, then cook it through. We want those beautiful grill marks, you hear me? No one wants a bland, bloody chicken breast. Don't even think about skipping the veggies. We're having steamed broccoli. A little bit of salt and pepper is all you need. Steam it until it's bright green and still has a bit of crunch. Remember, overcooked vegetables are absolutely criminal. Now, for a touch of richness and protein, a soft-boiled egg. Gently lower your eggs into boiling water and cook for exactly 6 minutes. Then, plunge them into ice water to stop the cooking. Peel them carefully, and you'll have a perfectly cooked yolk that's just begging to be broken. Let's add some texture, shall we? A sprinkle of sesame seeds will do the trick. Toast them lightly in a dry pan until they're fragrant. But keep an eye on them. You don't want to burn them, do you? A drizzle of low-sodium soy sauce is all you need to bring out the flavors of this dish. Don't drown your bowl in it, you hear? Just a touch to enhance the natural deliciousness. A side of pickled ginger adds a refreshing zing and cuts through the richness of the dish. It's like a palate cleanser between bites. A handful of edamame adds a satisfying crunch and another boost of protein. Steam them until they're tender and sprinkle with a touch of sea salt. For a dose of healthy fats and creamy texture, add some sliced avocado. Make sure it's perfectly ripe, not too hard, not too mushy. Finally, a sprinkle of chopped green onions adds a fresh, sharp bite. Remember, presentation is everything. Don't just throw it on there, arrange it with a bit of care, you hear? And there you have it, 10 delicious and nutritious ways to make your own KINNIKU MESHI. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more healthy eating tips and recipes.